Hey, it's Asa. I want to get you prepared to be able to capture traffic on a network. That way, if we get into one that we need to learn a little more about, we can use that information wisely. So what we're going to do is install something called WireShark. So let's check this out. Let's open up WireShark here. Great. So wireshark.org is where you're going to find this. And you're going to click on download. You're going to choose the one that's best for your system. So let's go ahead and choose the Windows installer, 64-bit. And this is going to install some drivers as well on your system. So make sure you're using Run as Administrator. Now we're going to go through this WireShark installer. You're going to make sure everything is checked. And we're going to go ahead and add a desktop icon as well. NPCap is what we use to actually capture traffic on Windows, so you're going to need to install that packet capture driver. And if you want to detect USB as well, you can install USB PCAP. Just give this some time to install. Alright, so now that we've reached the license agreement, we can click on agree. We don't really need any of these specifically, so we can go ahead and click on next unless you have a specific need for this, for example with wireless adapters if you're on a laptop and you're using a USB wireless adapter. And we'll continue this install. Alright, now that it's completed, we can click on next, click on finish, accept the USB PCAP installer if you chose that during the process, and install. Click on next. Now it's going to ask you to reboot. I'm going to choose reboot later. We're going to open up WireShark just to make sure that it's here. And we can see that it has in fact found all of our local connections and interfaces, and it can see which ones are currently using data and which ones aren't. I don't have much time left, but in the next one I'll teach you how to capture data on these devices and learn how to read it as well. Thank you for watching.